Jamaica is a nice place to be, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Is it first time?
Nah, we've been here before.
Yeah.
We went on Montego.
Oh, Montego Bay.
First time here.
Okay.
On this side of it.
Yeah, so I guess when you went to Montego Bay, all you did was beaches, right?
Yeah.
But that's all they have to offer in Montego Bay, man. When you come to Ocho Rios, we have all the attractions, you know? Yeah, man, you can do rafting, tubing, waterfalls, you know, bobsledding. There's so much here that we offer here.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So this is Main Street. On Main Street, you find like the post office. You know, in Jamaica, we have to go for our meals. We don't get the meal come to us.
You gotta go get it.
Along Main Street.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a nice little town, I should say. It's very peaceful, you know. Okay. You can walk the town any time of night. It's almost 24 hours.
Okay.
Yeah. Jamaica was once part of the British, so to signify our town centers, the British, they put a clock tower in every town center. So you see that clock tower?
Mm-hmm.
That's the town of Ocho Rios, the center.
Okay.
Big they have Big Ben.
Yeah.
This is Little Ben in the town center.
Okay.
So this is where all the local persons come now. They're going to work or coming from work. This is where they get their little taxis to go about their journey. This is not really a city, it's a town. So the biggest of vehicles you might have on the minibus, but most of it is just taxis. But if you was to go to Kingston now, you have the big buses that does transportation back and forth.
Okay.
But that's the city.
Yeah.
Which is also the capital of Jamaica.
How far is Kingston?
Kingston is about, if you was to take the highway, it's about 45 minutes. But if you drive the regular route, you're talking at least 2.5 hours, 2 hours drive. Yeah, man. When you go up the hill, down the hill, around the valley. Or when you go the highway, then you just go straight.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So you bypass all the turns and the curves. You prevent the traffic in the town, so you come on the bypass. Over here we have a housing scheme. It's called Bucksfield.
Okay.
Yeah, man. That's where a lot of locals live. You know, it's like a middle class housing.
Okay.
Yeah, man. It's all love, you know. Not everybody can live in a house, you know. Some people live in don't have a house, man. But you have to have the ambition to have things too.
That's right.
That's how you get things. We are born poor. I'm born close to poor.
That's the truth, man. Right here.
From what I heard, it was a car mart. But it looks too big to be a car mart. So I'm hoping they'd be like a little mall there or something.
That'd be good, huh?
Yeah, man. It'd be the first in Ocho Rios. We don't have one, so we'd love to have one. Nice little place to go hang out and shopping.
There you go.
And everything, you know.
So how did you get everything that you want? Right now, can you order different things that you want from online, or does it have to get shipped in? Or
Yeah, man. You can order it online. You have to ship it in, but
they put the tax on it?
Yes.
Okay.
Normally, if you pay $50 for it, you're gonna pay probably maybe about $30-something worth of tax.
On top of it.
Yeah, so it makes no sense that sometimes. It's
That's
like
true.
You pay twice for it.
Yeah, that's true.
You know, if you have families coming down from the States, you just ask them to buy it and bring it.
And then bring it to you.
Yeah.
There you go. There you go.
But what they have to do, they have to wrap it up and make it look old. Because they're gonna pay tax.
So if it look new, they're gonna tax you getting off the boat.
Yeah, man, they're gonna tax it, man.
Dang.
So you have to make it look like second hand, you know?
Oh, then that defeats the purpose of buying it, then.
Well, I mean,
Unless you clean it up when you get it
yeah,
back.
you gotta back it, clean it up, take off all the tapes and all that. Yeah, make it look new again, you know?
Okay, there you go.
You can't have it in the box.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, when you put it in the box, you have problems. You pay more for it.
Not bad. You have to have your family put it on and wear it for you. That way it's pristine, fresh.
Yes.
Hey.
The abandoned homes, or they look abandoned, but they're not. You know, because what happened, we look according to our pockets. So we aspire to have like a 4-bedroom, 5-bedroom, whatever. But we only could do like a 1-bedroom, bathroom, kitchen. So we finish it up, but the rest of the foundation is there, blocks up in the air.
Oh, okay.
Then you move in and live in there, and then little by little you build the rest.
You build it up. Is that what they did back there?
Yeah, man, that's what they did back there.
Very nice.
Because for years it looked like nobody was living there, but I mean, they're finished now.
I like that.
Yeah, they spend on the interior. And everything.
How much is the land here? Is it expensive or
It all depends on the location, but
closer to the water, the more expensive it is?
Yes. When you're in the mountains and you're overlooking and seeing the view of the sea, is very expensive as well.
Okay.
But more inland, it works out a lot cheaper.
Not bad.
The property has been going up now.
Everybody trying to get over here.
The prices.
Does that change the culture?
Huh?
Does that change the culture with everybody trying to move here?
Jamaican culture is a stubborn culture, man.
Okay, good.
You know, it's hard to change.
That's good.